Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. We are in the basement today, and I need to work on a couple of my AI, quote unquote, AI rigs. Now, first problem is we got a 5090 rig here. And I have no idea why it's not displaying out. It's not coming on. No matter what I do, it just doesn't come on. Does anyone have any trips or... Oh, I gotta turn it off. First problem is that wire in the back. Automatic beats. What wire? The HDMI cable? I don't think so. I don't think so. Cooking Mailman, what's up, man? Automatic Beats, Panda almost to 300K. Dude, 300K subscribers, we're doing massive giveaways. All right, I'm already spooling up a bunch of massive giveaways, so it's coming. It's coming. BIOS flashback. All right, actually, just looking at it, I just realized this motherboard. The motherboard does have a HDMI port. I wonder if it'll work in there. Oh, let's... I don't think it's going to work in there. $1 million says that motherboard HDMI will not work, but worth a shot. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh, no. That didn't work. HDMI input. Wait, what? It's working. Wait, what the hell? Why is that working? That doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense. Wait, what? Why? What? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Good thing I didn't bet $1 million. Or did I? did I bet $1 million? Oh, God, what the hell? What the... Why did that happen? Okay, it's not coming up anymore. $1 million, Sir Panda. All track, BIOS set primary PCI for video. Okay. Yeah, you're right. All right. RedPandaMining, pay up. Nick, don't you dare, Nick. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back into the BIOS and see if we can put it back. All track nailed it. All track. Dan Bulmer, don't you dare. Dan Bulmer, what's up, man? What's up, bros? Smash the like, bros. So, okay. I'm gonna tell you guys my guy's plan with this stuff. So the 5090 rig I had on, I had this on, what did I have this on? I had this on Salad before. I was trying Simple Pod for the 5090, but they're not allowing me to add 5090s right now. So I'm gonna be trying this 5090 on Vast. Do you guys think that's a good idea? Is there any objections to Vast.ai? And this will be my first time installing Vast. Okay, so I'm gonna go through. I don't know how to install it, but I'm gonna just ChatGPT it and hope that ChatGPT doesn't steer me the wrong way. If you guys have another way to install Vast, you let me know, but otherwise I'm going to install it on this 5090 rig. Singular 5090. So we will see how it goes. Vast is great. More analytical. What's up, man? Vast is great as long as you set it up right the first time, never touch it again. I've heard more analytical that it's rough. That it's really rough. Okay, why is this thing not turning on? Fully Electric, what's up, man? Well, you seem to have forgotten your old school tech. Fully Electric, this old school forgotten tech. Probably ASIC mining is actually old school, forgotten tech. Axel Larson says VAST is probably one of the only providers that will allow your combo of high-end GPU and low-end CPU memory budget. Yeah, yeah, which is great. Wait, you're using AI to set up AI? That's right, Cooking Mailman, exactly. Using AI to set up AI. That's probably the best way to put it. Yep. It's just, you know, full circle AI, setting up AI. I'm just like, if I was a robot, I wouldn't need to be here, right? I just need a robot to set this up. So, you know, yeah. All right. I want to set the GPU. How do we set the GPU as the how come this is not working? Advanced, okay. Where would be the iGPU thing? Okay, CPU, trusted computing. All right, I don't see anything there. CPU configuration, I don't see that there. Onboard device setting, PCIe port, above 4G decoding. PCI SR IOV. I think does VAST need that? Resizable bar enabled. Alltrack says, I believe Max has a script for VAST install from scratch. Alltrack, really? I'm gonna need that. Where's Max? I need Max. Now, do you guys install Ubuntu server or Ubuntu desktop? Let's see, PCIe port. I don't see onboard. I don't see onboard. Where's the onboard? I want to change the onboard to PCIe. Because right now the HDMI cable is going through the motherboard, not through the GPU. I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? This is boots. Boot option. I don't see main. I don't see any. I don't see any onboard device settings. Fully Ubuntu server, more analytical. Okay, good. I just downloaded Ubuntu server. NX mode. AMD over AMD PBS. Graphics configuration. Primary video adapter. Wait. IGD or EXT graphics. It was already on EXT. That means external, right? IGD means internal, making that, yeah, it was already on external. Gen 4 X16, it was already on EXT. I didn't even, I'm on the motherboard HDMI. What the hell? What the hell? What? Yes, what? What do you guys mean? Reset graphics card. I mean, it should be. I see it on. I mean, it's working. Reseat. You know what? Let me try INT graphics. Let me just change that to INT. I want to see what happens. Good. Let's go. I just want to see what happens. Squirrel Masters, enable hybrid graphics. Okay. Well, let me see here. I changed it to INT. Okay, no, it shows up. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Oh. Let's turn it off. All right. Let's. It was on EXT before. It was already on EXT. Let's just. I'm just gonna see what happens here. Oh, it works. It works. It works. I'm on the GPU. HDMI. Look, I am not joking with you guys. You guys think I'm stupid. You guys think I'm stupid. Look at this. INT. I didn't change any. I changed it from EXT to INT. You tell me what's wrong. You tell me. What? I'm not. You guys think this happens like I'm like doing it wrong? I don't understand. Okay. I mean, I understand, but I normally, when I do things, it's supposed to work. You're all wrong. All right. You're all wrong. All of you. I'm right. You're wrong. I'm just kidding. This motherboard, I don't know. Maybe it's backwards. Maybe INT means external, and then external means internal. You know, maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. That's why. All right, you guys. The motherboard will change it back. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This is. It's the Minis Form motherboard, so that's probably why it's like all effed up. So, anyway, I'm not gonna touch it now. We're now getting HDMI from the 5090. All right, that's all I wanted. Okay, now I need to install Ubuntu server, and actually, I'm just gonna we're gonna format my USB stick here. Is there any? Actually, I have Ubuntu desktop already on a USB stick. Is there any objection? Like, can I use desktop, or is it like gonna be a big problem? More analytical. Is Ubuntu desktop gonna be that big of a like a, what's the word? Bottleneck? Not bottleneck. Like performance drop from Ubuntu desktop to Ubuntu server? Is there that big of a difference? All right, you guys are saying Ubuntu server. All right, well, all right, we're gonna have to waste time to. I got a USB, a new. This is gonna take a while then. All right, I'm burning Ubuntu server 24044 on a 8 GB stick. There we go. There we go. Fully electric. Don't do it. It uses too much extra resources. Okay. Someone told me it honestly really didn't take that much, especially if you have a 32 core CPU, which I have. So apparently it's not that big of a deal. Like, I think what I was reading was it was only a big deal back in maybe like the Athlon or, you know, Pentium days. Ubuntu desktop versus, I don't know. Maybe it's different now. GM Zombie, why aren't you using the 20 GPU rig for this? Because a 20 GPU rig is unable to. A 20 GPU rig would be unable to. No, you know what? No, the 20 GPU rig could be. You know what? What if I put that on like Core? What if we could put the 20 GPU rig on Core? That would actually be. That would actually be amazing. That would actually be amazing. And hilarious if that actually happened. But, okay. Well, we're just waiting for the Ubuntu server to burn. Now, okay. Vast.ai installation. Okay. Where's Max? You guys said Max had a script? Max, I need this script. Find me max voltage Vast AI script for searching the web. There is no official max voltage script for Vast.ai because Vast.ai does not expose GPU voltage control. Wait, what? Or not even? I didn't even ask about voltage control. Oh, it's talking about max voltage as in power max limit. Ah, that's great. That's great. That's hilarious. Okay. All right. Back to installing Vast.ai. Simplest way to install Vast. Okay, create account, add credits, rent a machine. No, I'm not doing that. Install Vast CLI. All right, install Python. Python Python 3 version. Install Python. Install Vast CLI. PIP install Vast.ai. If that fails, try pip install Vast AI. Okay. All right. GM Zombie, first you have to finish it. You're banned. GM Zombie, completely banned. If you stay unrented, it would be good. Try adding Max's account name, Max Voltage Tech, all track. Track. I think isn't Max charging for it? I should probably just buy it from him. Let me ask Max. Hold on. Let me text. Let me Discord him. Max, how much for your Vast.ai script? I pay now. Okay, I asked Max. There we go. There we go. I asked Max. Yusuf puts, I rented my 8x5090 from Vast. It was too slow. Yusuf puts, you have 85090s? Holy smoke, man. Why aren't you using 20 GPU GM Zombie? Okay, I'm reading some old chat here. Chat's going too slow. We got 102 viewers here. Smash the like, bros. Any questions you guys have while this is going? Otherwise, I'm just waiting for this to the ISO to install. Zapirate, you rely on ChatGPT. Last time it had a seizure due to hallucinations from my long prompts. You know what, Zapirate? That happened to me once as well. That happened to me as well. Yeah. Fun. Is there anyone here in the live chat that also rents out to Vast.ai? Is any of you guys on Vast or some other platform? Let me know. Very curious if there's any of you guys. Who else is on another platform? Desktop. Come on, 80%. Burn. So close. 306 miner 8. I have 17 rigs on Vast. 17. Holy smoke, man. 17. Holy crap. 306 miner. How much money do you make a day on 17 rigs? That's incredible. That's incredible. All of my 178Xs are rented. All my 3090s are rented on SimplePod. My 3060s are almost fully rented. And you know what? Let me see if I can bring it up here. Simple. Is that the wrong? Let's see here. I need to log in. I need to sign in, don't I? I don't have the password here. Okay, I can't sign in. Never mind. Well, last night I checked. They were all rented except for one 3060. GM Zombie, did you hear there are some people trying to hack the CMP 178X to get back some of its abilities that have been crippled from NVIDIA? GM Zombie, I have heard of that, yes. And I believe it's a driver thing. And it's an NDA driver, a BIOS firmware update on the 178X that apparently could unlock some of its CUDA features. And if that ever comes out, I'm gonna be rich. I have 136 170HXs, so if for anyone that has this NDA BIOS, which I honestly don't think it's going to be released to anybody anywhere, unless somebody emails me about it. I would love that BIOS, and I would love to unlock my 170HXs. So, yeah, if that happens, I'm going to be ecstatic, and the 170HX would probably be just an incredible GPU because it's got 4096 bit bus memory bandwidth, HBM2E memory. It's only 8 gig or 10 gigabyte. It's not a lot, but it can compute real fast. It can compute real fast. My friend, I have 45 VAST server, multi-GPU. He's old. He makes like 8 to 10K a month. Whoa, Jeff. OD3ZK. Nice, man. Okay, so I'm actually at, okay, with all my AI stuff, I'm making about, I'm making about $100 a day right now on all my AI stuff. So 100 US. So Canadian, that's like, I think like 3,000 US. I'm making like 4,000 Canadian a month, which is incredible. And I'm about to expand even more. Okay, hold on. My thing is done here. Let me close this. Okay, and let me take out my USB stick. All right, eject the data traveler. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I may be making 40% of what your friend is making right now. Soon though, stay tuned. This will be a little thing for you guys. Hold on, let me bring it up. Hold on. I bought 10 servers. I have 10 servers coming. So I'm trying to find a picture of it. Do I have a picture of the servers? Let me see here. You know what? I'll just download, play this video. Will this work? Is this video gonna play? Alright, let's go desktop. They're being LTL'd to me as we speak. I'm probably not gonna receive them for another week or two, probably 2 weeks. But 10 of these servers. 10 big boy servers. They're coming. I'm gonna be filling them up. Alright, so that was fun. Let's go back. Okay, let's put in the USB stick. I put it in already. Let's see what you guys are talking here. I'm on top chat. I'm not on live chat. There we go. Alright, all set. You too, man. All set. Good to see you. As a pirate, unlock 178X BIOS. I want. Yeah, so do I. So do I. Okay, let's reboot. Let's see if I can boot from the USB stick. We want to boot Ubuntu server. Oh my god, what happened to the screen? Try or install Ubuntu server. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Alright, who else is it? Adam Gaming, what's up, man? Zapiro will take a part. RedPandaMining is dead now. You are RedPanda AI. Yep, pretty much. Pretty much. RedPanda AI. Yeah, that's where I'm going. That's where the money is for now. That's where the money is. Dan Bulmer mods. Dan Bulmer. You know what? Dan Bulmer, you want to be a mod, Dan Bulmer? Dan Bulmer, add as moderator. Standard moderator. There you go, Mr. Dan Bulmer. I don't know why you're not a mod. Alright, there we go. No, Dan, you don't want to be a mod? Looks like Skynet has taken over. Yeah, the Matrix screen there. Okay. All right, what language should we do? Let's do Svenska, Portuguese, Polski, English. Done. All right. Can I use the mouse? Oh, there's no mouse. Choose the base for installation. The default install contains curated set packages that provide comfortable experience for operating your server. Ubuntu server minimized. This version is customized to have small runtime footprint in environments where humans are not expected to log in. I'm assuming this one. I'm assuming the first one. Done. Continue without network. Is there no network? Oh, it says no network? Oh, I gotta plug it in? There we go. Alright. ETH. IPv4. Continue without network. Oh, how come it's not getting an IP? There we go, I had to snap it in. It's not getting a light. My Ethernet is not getting a light. The hell? Base install, remember to select SSH. Dan Bomer, okay. Black Hat Team, emailed you a script file from Max's Discord. Oh, really? Hold on, let me, check my email. Let me check. I do not see an email. I don't see an email from you. Oh, I see it. You're install R8126SH. All right. It says this message could be dangerous. Are you gonna try to hack me, Black Hat Team? Well, I downloaded it, so if you're gonna hack me, I'm probably gonna get hacked right now. All right. Done. I'm just gonna continue without network. This system requires a proxy. No. If you use alternate mirror or Ubuntu, enter its details here. Oh, okay. Contact Snapstore to check if a new version installer is available. Continue without updating. Configure a guided storage layout or create a custom one and use entire disk. I want to use the entire disk, right? Do we need to leave any space for anything vast or 306 miner? That script is for network card install, not vast. Oh. Black Hat Team. Okay, so that's not the one. Cooking Mailman. Oh, you stream tomorrow. Is that 9 p.m. or a.m.? A.m. 9 a.m. Pacific. 100-210 is not even worth trying. Yeah, Tesla V1. Yeah, absolutely. I know the 100-210 doesn't unlock either. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna just do the whole drive. I'm assuming that's the way it's gonna be. Done. Selecting below will installation process. Loss of, yeah, continue. Your name. Your server's name. All right. Should I be showing this? Hold on, let me, you guys can read yourselves. All right, is that good enough? RedPandaMining. Server's name. Vast RPM01. Sure. Pick a username. I don't know. Password. Sure. Done. All right. Do I need Ubuntu Pro? skip Ubuntu Pro setup for now. What's an internet connection is required to enable Ubuntu Pro? What's in Ubuntu Pro? Ubuntu Pro is the same base as Ubuntu, but adds additional layer of security and compliance services and security patches covering a wider... No, we don't need that. Who needs security? Screw security. Choose your install. Open SSH server package to enable secure remote access to your server. King's Google Doc says to uncheck it. Did you uncheck LVM? Automatic Beats, where is that? I've never seen anything LVM. And where did you get King's sheet? Please send that to me. Can you please can you tell me what it is? And is it profitable AI GP mining? Adam Gaming. AI stuff can be profitable. Yes. Okay, I remember Dan Bulmer saying to install SSH, so I'm gonna do that. I need to. Oh wait, I need to install my own SSH key. Oh man, I need to do all that. How do I can't even copy that in. How do I even copy that in? Whatever. After. Alright, it's installing. Dan Bulmer, nope, just select done. Okay. Don't you technically, I mean, OPSEC or security wise, you want to install your own key, no? Because isn't that the whole point of like SSH is importing your own key, and then when you access it, you're accessing, you're the only one with the key. You can do it later. Okay. Oh, okay. LVM is the disk partition section. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. LVM is the disk partition section. Okay. I'll show you how. Dan Bulmer, I think I know how, because I've done it on my my Octaminer Hive OS rigs. We need to do SSH in there. But all right. Oh, did it install? Is that done? Are we done? It says restoring apps, view full log, reboot now. Is that installation complete? Okay. Oh, that was easy. Let me take this out. Please remove installation medium and press enter. Okay. All right, Automatic Beats. I shared it with you. Okay. All right. On Discord, I don't see any Discord messages. Where? Oh, on my Discord channel. I don't see any message in Discord. 306 Miner. I don't see any Discord DM. You're messaging the wrong Red Panda. Automatic Beats. I shared it with you. Where? Automatic Beats. Where did you share it with me? Let's see. It was a Google Doc. Okay. Did you email it to me? If you just email it to me, I can open it that way. Automatic Beats. Oh, through Google. Okay. Open. Vast Reg AI. Ah, okay. All right. You send it to me. All right, here we go. There we go. Why? How come I'm not getting any Ethernet? I'm not getting any internet connectivity. That's so strange. All right, just stopping in. Are these rig setups with those CPUs you got in bulk recently? Phoenix Pool Mining, no. My Octaminers already have the i7s already, so that's already good. Why did you put an NVMe layer on your disk. I would have just used DirectX only. No need to revolve. It's just present fully electric. I don't know. Don't ask me. Okay, I don't know. I've never. This would be like my second time installing Ubuntu server. So, okay, so we did that. King is basically okay. King's got a nice guide here. I love it. Is like literally step by step. Install, update available. Okay, I didn't get that. Keyboard configuration, didn't get that. Network connection, proxy, said no to that. Mirror address, said done on that. Next screen, use this disk as a LVM group. Okay, crap, we didn't do that. We did not do that. We did not do that. So looks like I'm gonna need to on this screen we need to uncheck LVM because we don't want this option for installation. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to redo it. All right, let me start over. Let's start over. It's not that bad. All right, let's start over. Let me put it in. Let me put it back in. All right, let's reboot. We're gonna reboot. We're gonna go back. Let's go back. Let's boot from the USB stick again. LVM. So we have to uncheck LVM. Will 5080 work for this? Yes. I don't think a 5080 is popular though. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. What GPUs are needed for this? Top of the line 5090s or lower end GPUs? Top of the line, preferably, if you want to make money. If you want to make money, you know, that's the way to go. All right, here we go. English. Update to new installer. It says there is a new installer. All right, I'm just gonna update to the new installer. Whatever. All right, there we go. That was fast. Okay, Ubuntu server, right? Did we mix that option? Ubuntu server, nothing else special, right? English, layout, okay. Yeah. Okay, I got my IP address already, that's good. Proxy address, we don't need to do any proxy, right? Proxy, no change, done. Mirror address, done. Okay, now this is where we set uncheck LVM. Alright. There. That's it. This uncheck. Set up this disk as an LVM group. Okay. Alright, I'm on that step on Kings. On this screen, we need to uncheck, highlight spacebar, uncheck. This should look like this. Press done and enter. Alright, done. Okay, and then what? Partition formatted 930. On this screen, we need to change the amount of storage space for the volume. Vast needs free space, and currently Ubuntu will use all of the drive. Select the item with your keyboard and press enter. Edit. How much space? On this screen, select the edit button and press enter. Okay. Currently it is using all the SSD. We're gonna change this to 50G instead of 249. 50G? 50 gigabytes? Is that all it needs? Okay. Well, I'm gonna, all right, instead of 930G, it's gonna be 50G. All right. Is that what VAST needs? Only 50G? Okay, press enter. Save. Done. Partition 2 to be formatted ext4 50 gig. Your new configuration should look like this. It will depend on how big your SSD is, but you should just see the area. The free space is what we want. Okay. All right, done. Continue. All right, select continue, press enter, enter your information here and select done. Okay, Let me enter in my information. Give me a second here. Red Panda Mining. Red Panda Mining. Oh, no, not Red Panda Mining. Alright, there we go. Pick a username. Password. There we go. Okay. Alright. Done. Alright. Okay, that's done. Entered in my stuff. Skip Ubuntu Pro. Okay, King says we need to enable SSH server so we can putty into this and copy and paste commands for the install. Perfect. Alright, SSH install. There we go. And install SSH. Press spacebar. Done. Press spacebar, checkbox, enable SSH, and done and enter. No changes here. Press done and enter. Okay. Alright, that's it. There we go. Install, reboot. Okay. Now we need to install putty. Alright, I have putty already. Your nick is working now. Mr. Dan Bomer, yes it is. Thank God. Jeff says, not the whole drive. You will have to loop back. Not my problem. Customer will quit. He's rig for my rig. What? What does that mean? Fully electric. Use 80G. The extra not used is for Vast. Do 80 just in case. Well, I just did 50, guys. Come on. I didn't read. What? Is there any problem with doing 50? I don't think there is, right? There shouldn't be any problem, right? Will a single GPU rig be profitable with this? Uncle McNasty. From what I understand, from what I've seen, the singular GPU rigs are fine on Vast, yes. But I think the majority of people are going the server route. Server cases, you know, multi-GPU servers. Like that's what most people are doing. So I mean that's where it's going, and I honestly I think that's where the money is. Like I see my 6x3090 Octo server rented all the time. I see my 10x3060 rig Octo server rented all the time. So I think people are looking for, would rather look for multi GPU rather than singular rigs, in my opinion, from what I've seen. Swamp 7, you are finally here. Swamp 7, oh my goodness. Check Discord. Swamp 7, you're doing everything wrong. Entertaining, do not do 50 gigabyte. Docker containers will eat it in a few days. Next time, just use 2 disks. NVMe for fast job storage and a 1 terabyte SATA SSD is fine for the OS. Swamp 7, why didn't you tell me this earlier? Are you telling me I gotta do this all over again? I gotta do this all over again. Do not do only 50 gig. Okay, Docker containers will eat that in a few days. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Swamp 7. Why? What? Why? Oh. Oh. Oh man. Okay. I don't want to redo. I don't want to go through that whole thing again. Third time's a charm. Oh my. Okay. Swamp 7. How many? Swamp 7. How much? Instead of 50, what would you do? I'm not. I don't have another space for another NVMe. You said the OS can go on an SSD. Okay. I don't want to do that. It's just gonna stay on. It's just gonna stay on the 1 terabyte drive. Swamp 7. Fully electric. The issue is your main disk is too small. Minimum would be 80G, but your 250G would be ideal. And the extra 600G for VAST. Okay. All right. So, all right. When did King make this Google Doc? When did he make this? I'm sure he probably made it a long time ago. That's why the spec. It seems like the spec has gone up now for all the stuff. 50 gig, 250 gig drive, 250 gigabytes, 50 gigabyte free. Okay. So Docker containers we put in this. Swamp 7. Because the Docker container creates a pointer on the OS to the var lib Docker drive. Just leave it for now, but you're gonna run out of space for updates quick. Okay. Can I expand this part later? Yes. Okay. All right. Swamp 7. Can you please talk in the live chat? I can't talk and I can't see the live chat and open Discord at the same time. But thank you. Yes, but it's a pain in the A. Why does this have to be so hard? So we gotta do it all over again. We gotta do this all over again. You know what? We're gonna do it all over again. Screw it, I don't care. I probably just destroyed the NVMe turning off the computer like that. I definitely shouldn't have done that. Oh man, I definitely should not have turned off the PC like that. But that's okay. All right, here we go. Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Here we go. Hilarious. Yeah, thanks, Uncle McNasty. Yeah. All right. Here we go again. Third time's the charm. Oh my god. All right. Swamp 7. How much space? What Swamp 7? What number would you do? Continue, update, new installer. Sure. More Analytical says it's better to start over and get it right, brother. I agree. I agree. So, More Analytical, you're exactly correct. Ubuntu server, done. IP address, no proxy, done. Mirror address, continue. Okay, uncheck LVM. Done. Now, edit. Okay. How many G's are we going for? How many G? Swamp 7, 100 gigabyte minimum, but I would do dual disks. Okay, let's just rule out the dual disks. Let's just say I have one disk, one terabyte, and I'm only listening to Swamp 7 because he has. I know Swamp 7 has like hundreds of thousands of these machines, so. He's a massive, vast AIer. All right, I'm only listening to Swamp 7. Swamp 7. What number? You said 100 gigabyte minimum, but on a 930 gigabyte drive, how much would you put? Swamp 7. On a 930 gigabyte, what? How many G's would you put? 100 still, or 200, or? Swamp 7, 75 to 100. Okay, all right. We're gonna do 100. All right, on a 1 terabyte drive, we're gonna do 100. All right, perfect. Perfect. Okay, there. All right, does that look good? 100G. New partition local disk. New primary formatted. Be formatted. Okay, done. All right, continue. Swamp 7, 256 is better, but you will only have 500 gigabit-ish for clients. Okay, can I go back? Hold on. Oh, I can't go back from this. I can't go back on this option. Great. But okay, on a single 50, okay, on a single 5090 though, Swamp 7, on a single 5090, how much space realistically does somebody use? Swamp 7 on a singular 5090 rig, like, is someone gonna be using 500 gigabytes worth of space? Swamp 7, 4 terabyte minimum. What? Nobody uses 4 terabyte. No, that's impossible. Leave it for now. All right. All right. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it. I don't. I wish you told me 250. I would have done 256. Server name. Pick a username. All right, done. Skip Ubuntu Pro. Open SSH server. Done. None of this stuff. And done. All right, there we go. Swamp 7. I have tons of clients that use more than 4 terabyte. All right, well, I ain't gonna buy a 4 terabyte NVMe right now. What is the price of a 4 terabyte NVMe? Hold on, let me just go here. Amazon.com. All right, here. 4 TB NVMe. All right. Okay, $500. That's $500. That's not terrible. Actually, I thought it was worse. WD Black 4 terabyte is $695. Okay. Wait, the price is cut in half? Wait, these prices have cut down in half already? Wow, that's pretty good actually. Wait, that's not terrible. I thought it was much worse. I thought these things were going for like, I thought the drives were going for like over 1,000. Huh. Interesting. ADHD Crypto 405. ADHD, dude. Haven't seen you forever, man. How are you? ADHD man. What is going on, bro? You can leave the whole 1 terabyte drive and it will whatever use wants of space, no mucking around. Okay, Swamp 7. Plus you make $1 on storage, sometimes more than the GPU rental. What? That's insane. That's actually insane. That's insane. Fully electric. So my minimum 80G, but still do things ideal. Go 120 as a middle ground. Fully electric, too late. I already did 100. He told me 100. I'm sticking with 100. I'm sticking with 100. That's it. That's all I'm going for. Phoenix Pool Mining. We have a new ERP add-on at work called RPM, and every time I see it, I think RedPandaMining. You've dominated RPM anytime I see it anywhere. IRL. Thanks. Phoenix Pool Mining. Dude, that's hilarious. I always think RPM is like, you know, the RPM channel, like car channels. This is Pirate. Thank you for the 34 months, bro. Dude, 34 months. It's been a while. Yeah. Dude, 34 months. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, Swamp 7. Swamp 7. Don't go anywhere because we're doing the putty thing next. All right, putty and then what? I'm gonna SSH into it. There are 2 ways to get your IP address from your machine. I think I already got it. 100, 195. Okay. All right, but okay. Let me open up putty. Putty. All right. Okay, it's still installing. It's still installing. Swamp 7, lol, I have to do real sysadmin work just on lunch now. Swamp 7. Swamp 7, I'm surprised you haven't quit your job yet. The amount of money you are making on your AI rigs. Aren't you making like 40, 50K a month? I don't... Why are you still working a real job? Sorry, not a real job. A 9 to 5. Real job could be anything. So I don't discriminate. I've had horrible experience with a bunch of Samsung products. Squirrel Master, dude, wait. I have wait. Okay, wait. I have this. I have a Samsung 990 Pro 4 terabyte drive here. 4 terabyte 990 Pro. This thing is glitching out like crazy. Like whatever I install on it, it freezes. It still works. Like this drive still works. Now I heard that there's a firmware update for this, and I have not tried that. I haven't tried the firmware update on this. I need to figure out how to do that. But yeah, I have a 990 Pro 4 terabyte drive here, and I need to figure out why the heck this thing doesn't work. It's such an expensive drive. Sitting there doing nothing. Yes, update the firmware. Yes, it fixes that. Okay. Use Samsung Magician to update the firmware. Okay, okay. All right, let me try. Install it in a PC as a secondary. Use Samsung Magician to do the firmware. Okay. Squirrel Masters, that would be way better to use for Vast. Well, I plan on using that 4 terabyte drive on a server. All right, on a bigger server. So my 990 Alan the King, 990 had issues but fixed with new firmware. Okay, nice. Dude, how come this Ubuntu server install is taking forever? It's still going. Installing kernel. John English Tech. John English Tech. You see this? John English Tech. You see this on your screen, top left? I'll do it. John English. I'll do it. Misinformation, 100%. Or harassment and bullying, Yeah, 100% bully. 100%. This is harassing me. I love that. I love that it says this is her. I love that it says this is harassing me. Yeah. Dude, so funny. How dare you tempt me with a good time? All track network is available this time, so probably pulled updates and installed them too. Okay. Oh, that's why it's taking forever. Oh yeah, you're right. All track, you're right. It says installing missing packages. Downloading, yeah. Dude, this install it is taking forever. I just want to get this on Vast. That's all I want. Oh my G, this Linux pain is so relating to. Oh man, dude, I just realized I still have this. The Noctua Edition 3070. Bro, this thing is the thickest GPU ever. Look at this thing. Holy crap, man. Dude. Unbelievable. Crazy. What is that? An organic GPU? Organic GPU? Noctua GPU. Dave Hall, what's up, bro? Dave Hall, welcome to the live stream, bro. Smash that like, bros. We got 102 people here, 46 likes. Smash the like. Tubenjar, RedPandaMining. I'm rebuilding one of my old gaming PCs for AI use right now too. Haha, just took a break to eat lunch and found your stream. Tubenjar, nice, bro. I'm doing the same thing. Well, I already had this 5090 rig already built. I had it for Salad for a while, and now it's off Salad, and now I'm gonna put it on Vast. I think on Vast right now. Hold on, I think I can check how many 5090s are rented on Vast. Let me just see here. right, here we go. Here we go. Desktop. All right, so let's go. There are, okay, so there are total 5,021 5090s on Vast. 3,247 of them are rented. There are 918 available. There are 375 rented but unverified, and 481 available unverified. So a good like 1,400 5090s are not rented right now. I hope I'm not going to be one of those 1,400. Now, 4090s, there are now less 4090s than 5090s on Vast. Look at that. There's 4,222 4090s on Vast. 2,800 are rented. Available, 844. So a good chunk are still available. 3090s. Okay, there are actually, there's only 2,000 3090s on Vast now. 1,247 are rented, available 305, rented, unverified 165, unverified 352. So still a good amount unrented of 3090s, but yeah, 4090s and 5090s. Yeah, come to think of it, 5,000 5090s isn't that much. That's not a lot. Come to think of it. That's honestly it's not a lot. 5090s. Looks like there was a bunch that came offline here. They were down to 5,000. They were up 5,028. Now there's 5,021. So 5,078 month back. Interesting. Ninja Kid, Wingbits is going mainnet. I heard. Yes, I heard. I can't wait. That's going to be exciting. Yes. As a pirate, it's been an hour. What are you still doing? As a pirate? Okay, I think this is broken. I honestly think this is broken. Okay, it's not installing that. It's not installing Ubuntu right now. It says installing kernel, and it's just going all over the place. Crypto Clutch, what's up, man? Crypto Clutch. Yeah, something's not right here. View full log. All right. Oh no, it's preparing and unpacking 1 million packages. What the heck? Is this right? Do we got some errors here? I think we got some errors. Let it cook. Okay. So, Crypto Clutch, your computer is just slow. This is on a Ryzen 9, okay? This is a Ryzen 9 7945HX or whatever. Patience, Grasshopper. I have 0 patience. 0. Takes a while. Leave it be. All right. I'll leave it be. I will leave it be. All right. So let me see here. All right, here we go. Alrighty. Alright. Okay. Okay. Scroll that log to the bottom. We are at the very bottom of the log already. It's doing something. More analytical. When do you start building a Pro 6000 rig? More analytical. I want to go that route. I'm gonna stick with. I'm gonna try to stick with like the cost-effective stuff as much as I can right now. Like I'm buying a bunch of the older generation servers. I'm gonna put some older GPUs in and just put them on and see where it goes. It's probably not gonna be that great, but hey, something. It's something. The RTX Pro 6000 is just so expensive. Like, as much as I want to buy one, it's like dang. I know they earn like the RTX Pro 6000 earns a lot for sure. Like it's a great GPU for AI for sure. Let's see how many are out there on the wild. 250 rented. There are 319 RTX Pro 6000s on Vast. Workstation models, there's 410. Holy dude, 14 available, 336 rented. 336 of them are rented. Wow, that's nuts. That's crazy. Crypto Clutch, how has AI rentals been for you recently, minus the CMPs? Crypto Clutch, all of my 3090s and 3060s are rented on Simple Pod, yes. And so now I have 6 4090s and two 5090s sitting that I really got to start getting up. So I'm gonna put these on Vast and see where it goes. More Naleco, mine has been rented for several months. That's pretty good, man. You can buy a Toyota for the price of RTX Pro 6000. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. All right. Let's go back here. Is it done? Is this thing done? Like, it's taking considerably long. Nope, it's still going. Initial blacklist, whitelist, not strict. It's hard stuck on this command. It's not moving. Oh, it's moving now. There we go. It's unpacking a bunch of stuff. Unpacking. How come it takes this long? It shouldn't take this long to install a Ubuntu server, right? It's just upgrading. Okay. Oh, gee, dude, this is taking a while to upgrade. I smell smoke. Please no smoke. This is taking a long time. I shouldn't have. I guess it had to be done anyway. Updated. I swear, I just downloaded the latest version of Ubuntu on their website. Shouldn't that already have all the latest like repositories and all that stuff? Interesting. We see Hive Mapper pulled a Helium. I'm not surprised. Patience, patient Grasshopper. All right, I'm patient. I'm being patient. There's a always has to update. Yeah, always. There's an option to not upgrade before starting the install. Yeah, I saw that. I probably should have just not updated. Fully Electric. The image was made some time ago. No updates. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, I guess that makes sense as to why when I didn't have the internet connection, it installed like that. It installed in like a minute. Now that I have an internet connection, it's downloading everything. And taking forever. That makes sense. Okay, well, I didn't even, I was gonna go, I need to set up, a whole bunch more. I was gonna do, all my 4090s today. But now that we're stuck at this part, this is gonna take a while. It's still yet to start the install process. Only unpacking. Yeah, it does look like that. That switch on 100 MB instead of 1 gig. No, it's on a one. I have a 1 gig switch there. 1 gig. Yeah, 1 gig. Should be going pretty fast. It's installing all the missing drivers as well. Makes sense. Oh, all right. Well, that's going. What's the price of Bitcoin right now? 74. Oh, all right. Well, we were at 75 yesterday. Man, this just tells me we're gonna go down eventually. Oh, please. I hope we don't go down, but I have a feeling, a very dark feeling that it's gonna go down. I'm very pessimistic. When 1 million per BTC, RedPandaMining. Crypto Clutch, probably in like, I'm gonna say not in our lifetime, Crypto Clutch. We're probably gonna be like 70 or 80 years old by the time that happens. Kim Larson, close the log. Last line usually means done. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's done. It's done. You're right. It's done. There we go. Reboot. Installation complete. All right, reboot. Take out the USB stick. There we go. All right. Perfect. Okay, now to putty in. All right, let's just read. I want to read all of Mr. King's how to set up Vast. So I put in the IP. Okay, I understand that. Okay, I understand that. Login as. Okay, now we have the putty window. Let's see, copy and paste everything for ease of use. Copy and paste a group of commands. Some are single lines, some are multiple lines. Everything will start sudo, so you know that's when the new line begins. All right. First step to log in your server with your credentials. Second step will be sudo su. All right. To be I understand that one. That's to be admin. Okay. All right. Let me see if this is the 10, 100, 100, 219. Is that my IP? Crap. What was my IP? Nope, that's not my IP. Dang it. Log in. Hold on, I'm on the other screen. RedPandaMining. What's the oh, 194. Okay, there we go. Alright. I got it. Putty. 10, 100, 100, 194. 194. Alright. Accept. Alright, there we go. Login as password. There we go. Alright. There we go. Okay. How do I make this bigger? Size. Can I make the text bigger? I can barely see it. Terminal colors, appearance, 20. There we go. All right. There we go. Okay. Here we go. All right. I'm just gonna follow King's thing here. So let's do it. All right, second step. Sudo su. Sudo password for, okay. All right. Okay. Prompt password this way, installation done as root. Always be root. Whenever you reboot the system, you'll have to re-enter sudo su, logging into the server. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. First command. SSH update. Okay, next one. There we go. Sudo apt update. Apt. Sudo apt -y upgrade. I feel like we did that already, but let's see if it does it again. Full electric. It shows you 30-minute update waiting. Do all the updates first. Okay. 30-second lag, putty, text size control, mouse wheel. Oh, let me try that. Control, mouse wheel. No, that doesn't work. Control, mouse wheel does not work. All right, it's doing something. Cannot initiate network connection. Failed to fetch ca.archive.ubuntu.com. Oh boy, what does that mean? 31 upgraded, 0 newly installed, 1 not added. Need to get 18.4 megabyte of archive. See if you have internet. I mean, it's got a network connection. I do see. Looks like you don't have internet. All right, unable. It says unable to fetch. Okay, so that did not work. Turn off IPv6. Okay, so what's the command for that? What is the command for turn off IPv6? Where did my ChatGPT thing go? All right, there we go. All right. Ubuntu command for turning off IPv6. All right. Run. Sudo. All right. It's using IPv6. You are okay. It will switch to IPv4. Ping first to make sure DNS is resolving. Okay. Hold on. Okay. How to ping in Ubuntu. It's been a while. It's just ping? Okay. Ping google.com. I thought it was like yeah, I can ping Google. I can ping Google. 6 milliseconds. Use the permanent one. Need to remove French language pack sudo. Please don't do that. Oh my God, Panda. Good question. Listen, I'm doing this on the fly, okay? I haven't had my coffee. All right. I'm tired. Okay, let's go back. So we got internet. Let's remove the IPv6 thing then. Let's do that. Let's remove the IPv6. I don't know. You guys say that's default. Let's just run this. Let's just do this. Now, if I do this, will this have implications on VAST? No, Ubuntu will fall back. Ubuntu servers use different IP ports. No. Fully Electric says no. All right. Don't run this. Okay. All right, let's just run that update command then. Let's see if it works. See, it was connect. It's not connecting. It was connecting, waiting for headers. Unable to fetch some archives. Maybe run apt-get update or try with -- fix missing. Maybe run apt-get update. Something's not. 6 packets, packet loss. Something is not working. Mage Man Bro, why are you trying VAST again if you have those private hoster? Mage Man Bro, they're not. SimplePod's not allowing me to put. Is not allowing me to put 5090s. I can do all other stuff. I'm just not allowed to do 5090s. All right, let's cancel this. It's not working. Let's cancel. Control C. Yeah, Control C. 306 Miner says sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. upgrade Y with no upgrade. Sudo apt update. Yeah, we did that. Sudo apt upgrade Y. You mean the other way? Does that make a difference? No, doesn't look like it. No, let's cancel that. Sudo apt update. It's connecting to ca.archive.ubuntu.com. Is that down? Is ca.archive.ubuntu.com down? Oh, it is down. Oh, based on reports, their service is temporarily down. Oh, it is down. Ubuntu archive is down. Oh, that's why. It actually is down. It's actually down. That's why. Oh my goodness. Man, what timing. What timing. Major outage. Right here. Right, just my luck. Just my luck. Literal luck. ArchiveUbuntu.com and security are under high demand. How come you bastards didn't know any of this? You guys didn't tell me. God. Jesus. Christ, man. This had to happen. This had to happen during my time of doing all this and like scratching my head on why is this not working. Oh my God, man. Oh man. Just my luck for now. All right, screw the updates. Screw it. Okay, this will remove Nuvo and from the system has been replaced by installer. Okay, sudo update Ubuntu and install SSH. So sudo apt, okay. Sudo bash echo. Okay, what is this? What is all this? All right. No idea if this is working or not. All right, I think that worked. Install dependencies. Here we go. Sudo apt install. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Copy. Unable to locate package Python. Could not find any package by glob Python 2.7. This means the package is missing. Done, done, done. Instead of the Python package Python is not available. However, the following package replaces it. Python is Python 3. So we gotta, okay, I do recall we have to install Python. Is that not here? Is that not in there? Let's see. Install Python first. Pip install Python. Pip not found. What? Northstar, you can't install because archive is down. Ah, okay. PhD is a new one, 2.7 is old. When was that how-to written? Fully Electric, a long time ago. That's probably why. You can't install because archive is down. Right. Okay. All right, we're gonna come. All right, I'm not even gonna touch anything right now. If I can't install anything, then forget it. Is there no other Azure Archive mirrors operational? How do I change? Can I change the archive? Okay, hold on. ChatGPT. List me other. What's it called? Ubuntu archive servers. If you want alternatives to default Ubuntu archive servers, there are plenty of official mirrors you can use. Canada, I did try Canada, that didn't work. mirror.csclub.waterloo.ca. Alright. Now, command to change archive update server. Crypto Clutch, you should use Claude instead of ChatGPT. Yeah, I haven't. Okay. Well, I've already. Okay, I gotta log in. Damn it! Oh man, this is crazy. I gotta log into it. Sudo set app update. Okay, sudo set. Okay, I can see it here. Use automatic mirror selection. Switch to Canada mirror. Sudo sed. Is that the sudo sed dash I? And I can change the switch to Canada mirror. No, I want to change to manual edit, more control. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do manual. Let's see. Nope, that didn't work. All right. Ubuntu sources have moved. Okay. Sources, Ubuntu, let me copy this. Oh crap, I'm screwing up. Oh crap, I'm screwing up. How do I copy this part? No, I don't want to add these. EAFT sources list. Can I type in here? Okay. Hold on. etc apt sources.list.d ubuntu.sources. All right, let's copy that. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna exit this. Control X. Sure. How do I exit? Huh? Oh, Control X. Modify buffer? No. All right, let's go back. Sudo nano this. There we go. Oh my God. Holy crap. Okay, now. Okay, what were the alternate servers again? You think is Waterloo down? Shouldn't be, right? All right, so I'm just going to let's go back here. Change this to crap. HTTP. All right, Waterloo. Now, do I need to change the security.ubuntu.com? I do, right? Security.ubuntu.com. Is there another server for this? Is there another server for, because this one's also down. Alternate, okay. Alternate servers. Alternate security.ubuntu. If you want alternate security, you can use regular Ubuntu mirrors. No, that's the same one I use. That's the same one. Mirror. No, we can't change that, right? Blockchain Guru says, man, just use the auto mirror selection. Auto mirror selection? Yeah, it switched to Canada mirror, but it's not working. We did that. University of Waterloo. Okay, F it. Let's go. Control X. Save. Done. All right, now let's do the... you know what? Let's go back to that update. Let's see if it updates here. Oh, it's working. Yeah, there you go. There. Ubuntu. There you go. All right. All right. Update command worked. Yes. Success. Success. Get wrecked. All of you. All of you. Wrong. See, I put my intuition together. I used ChatGPT. We changed the server. See? I got it. See? I did it. All by myself. I did it. All right. Next part. Here we go. Oh my God. Okay. We did that one. We got to do this one. Let's see if this one works. I don't know if this big command is going to work. No. Okay. Nope. This one did not work. Okay. Unpackage. The package Python has no installation candidate. Python 2.7, Python 2.2. Okay. How to install Python 3. Python 3 is needed. Is usually already installed, but if you need to install or upgrade it, here's how. Sudo apt update, sudo apt install Python 3. All right, upgraded, manually is set to manually installed. Is Python 3 is already on the newest version. Okay. So according to King's command here, do we need to change this to Python 3? It says Python 3 there. Let's run it again. No, it says package Python has no installation candidate. Let's see. I don't. Ontario Miner, what's up, man? Ontario Miner, I shipped out your thing yesterday. Python 3. Why is this not? Package Python is not available, but is referred to by another package. What the hell does that mean? Okay. All right. No. Okay. Okay. You see this? I see Python 2.7 here. Do I just take this out? Python 3 pip. Should I just take out the command here that King has? I don't know, man. Installing video drivers. Reboot. Okay, that command is not working. Change Python 2 to Python 3 in the script. Okay. Python 2 to Python 3. So you're saying this part here. You changed. I mean, should I just remove? I should just remove this. No. Let's just see if that. Let's just see if that works. I don't know. Package Python has no installation candidate. Okay, we're getting a little better. We're getting there. We're getting there. Should I just remove? Okay, let me remove this. There we go. All right. There we go. We'll remove the other Python. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, perfect. I'm smart. I'm smart. We're smart. We did it. I did it. 306 Miner, I take you on Discord to a different guide. Super easy. Okay, well, I'm already using Kings, so let me try with Kings first. All right. Yeah, we want more Kerrigan explanations, please. Remove the other Python. Skynet is now running. God, guys, just... I don't know, man. I don't know. This is not for me. I'm not built for this. This is why I left the network. This is why I left the sysadmin, network admin world, because all this stuff is out of this world for me. I don't belong. I don't belong. I just want to go out in the forest and stay there and camp. I just let me be outside. Can I not be doing this right now? Amy Lives Crypto. Hello, Amy. Miss Amy, welcome to the live stream. Welcome. Amy, how are you? Miss Amy, are you going to Bitcoin, what's it called? Bitcoin Vegas? That's what it's called, right? And did we lose our music? We totally lost our music. Oh my goodness. Back to the music. Yes, so good. Yes, I'm going. BTC 2026. Nice. I am unfortunately not going. I thought about going, but I have too many obligations here at home. Oh, mailman, trust me. Many times I want to use my hammer as well. Many times. Many times. Amy, Panda, tears. Next time. That would be risky for you, Panda. Ninja Kid, I wouldn't tell anyone that I would be going, okay? I would be going in secret. Okay, so what do we got here? No containers needed to be restarted. No VM guests are running outdated hypervisor. Okay, now what? Now, what's the next step? What's the next step? When installing NVIDIA drivers, please use the current drivers, replace the version number. There is 4 areas in the command where you need to replace these numbers. Install the NVIDIA drivers after reboot. Install NVIDIA drivers after reboot. Update the URL. Okay, so we're gonna reboot. What is the command to reboot? Remote side unexpected closed network connection. Okay, perfect. System will reboot. All right, perfect. Okay, now we need, okay, which NVIDIA driver am I gonna be going for? All right, let's go. NVIDIA Linux drivers. All right. Okay. Now I have a 5090. I have a 5090. We're using a Ubuntu server. Do I use the 595.58.03? Is that what we're doing? I think that's what we're doing. 550.120 is what King had here. That's from a long time ago. Max, what is up, man? I see you, Max. Sorry, I was at PT and having lunch with my wife. Right, Max. Oh my God, man, we have been going through so much here. We have been going through an insane amount of things here, Max. All right, so looks like we got a new version, 595. I'm gonna copy that. We're gonna go back to King's thing here. So 4 areas update. Okay, so bash wget. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this whole. Okay, 4 areas. He says 4 areas to change. This one, this one, this one. Okay, this is a really long command. Max, are you basically selling my auto install for me by showing how much of a pain it can be? Max, yes. Max, please save me. Max, save me from this hell. Max, Okay, I'm reading your Discord, Max. Let me make a new file. I made a new version that will account for outliers like non-NVMe installs. Well, I have an NVMe already, 1 terabyte. Accounting for 2 disk installs. I'm not doing the 2 disk install, I'm doing a 1 disk install. And no, you're not paying. Max, let me pay you. Help me help you. Okay? Is that what Tom Cruise says? Tom Cruise. He says, help me help you. Or is it the other way around? I will have you order online with a 100% coupon I give you. Also want to make sure this process is still working. How soon do you need it? Max, right now. Max, right now. I need it. I would love to do it now. Panda tax, $500. Yeah, seriously. I mean, I'm pretty sure, like, okay, looking at King's install here, we have a lot more commands to go through. So that, I mean, not a lot, nothing terrible, but I mean, I don't think it's something that if I could do this off stream, I could probably do it. It's just, Max, okay. Here we go, Max, here we go. Automated Vast AI installer. All right. Stop fighting Ubuntu installs and Vast AI setup. Get a pre-configured ISO and install the script that handles everything from OS to running a node in one shot. Max, what the hell? Max, this is incredible. Max, you're telling me I just wasted 2 hours over the past 2 hours when I could have just done this. Max, I love it. This is the way. Max, this is the way. Now, that seems like the way to go. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you will need to update the VAST setup. You will need to update the VAST setup file. Right. With my own, like, I need my own, I need to put in my own key, right? The API key and all that stuff, right? Yeah, that's how I understand it. Where's my VAST? You know, we're gonna close this. Okay. Go back to here. We found out that archive.ubuntu.com is down. So, Max, if archive.ubuntu.com is down, will your script still work? Because now that I think about it, if I run your script and it's going to do an update, it's probably going to fail, right? Max, everyone here is thinking, what a setup. Well, yes, and your login info. Okay. Okay, perfect. J Styles, I would give you the script for free. I would give you my script for free. No. I support Max. Let me buy it. I'll buy it. So, all right. Max, hold on. Do you want to start over with an Ubuntu server install? Max, we did that already. I gave it, I unchecked LVM. I gave it 100 gigabytes thanks to Swamp 7. So is there any way I can keep my Ubuntu install and not do it again? Or do I have to do it again? I don't want to do it again. But if I have to do it again, I'll. Max, yes, that is exactly how my auto Ubuntu install is set up. Oh, I see. So I see. Okay, so I have to redo it. Just use the VAST setup script. That's all you need. Okay. All right, Max. Okay. All right, Max. I'm gonna buy it now, but I don't want to go through the site. I don't want to go through the. I don't want to show. Stripe. Okay, we gotta use Stripe. Okay, I don't have my credit card on me. Ah, damn it! I don't have my wallet. My wallet is upstairs. All right, what time is it? All right, guys, we've been streaming for 2 hours. We've been streaming for 2. We're gonna hold off on this. We're gonna hold off for now. We'll come back. I'll buy it and I'll do a video. Let me just let me come back. We'll do this after. We'll do this after. I need to get my wallet and do that. So, I have to go. Actually, I actually have to go. I need to get breakfast. My wife probably needs something, and it's been 2 hours. We've been streaming for 2 hours, so we'll come back. We'll come back on this. Max, thank you for letting me know about this. I mean, I did already know about this. I just didn't have the link to this. So yeah, I think let me go through it, Max. I'll go through this, and I'm sure it'll be very easy on my 5090 rig here. And then, yeah, a video. A video will be much better. Panda never finished anything. Alan the King, listen. It's hard, okay? Must be nice on Island Panda time. J Styles. Open the feedback to continue to make it better. Max, sounds good. Max, I will definitely try this. I definitely want this. Email support if you hit a snag. Definitely want to hit. Definitely gonna hit up Max if I hit a snag. Okay, bros. All right, that's it. That we accomplished pretty much nothing except installing Ubuntu and almost halfway getting through King's Vast AI install. But otherwise, yeah, this thing is going to be on Vast soon. All right, it's going to be on Vast very soon. Okay, see you guys later. See you guys later. Oh, tomorrow, Friday evening, we are having a massive live stream of giveaways. Massive live stream. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, Friday night, 7 p.m. Pacific, 10 p.m. Eastern. We're doing a lot of fun stuff. It's going to be mayhem there, and a lot of fun giveaways and such. So see you guys tomorrow evening, 10 p.m. Eastern. Might be too late for some of you, but it will just be going for an hour. So, okay. Goodbye. So once you have the ISO, can you put it on several machines? Max, that's a great question. Max, do I need to buy? If I want to put it on multiple machines, do I need to buy like multiple versions, or just? I'm assuming it's one at a time. I'm assuming I can use the one on multiple machines, but you let me know, Max. Let me know. All right. Max says yes. Buy once and use it as many times as you want. Perfect. Max, I'm gonna use it like 10 times, probably more. So $50 is worth it. Definitely worth. All right. Goodbye, bros. See you then. Have a good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow evening. Peace out. Max, bad marketing strategy. Oh wait, for Panda, 10. All right, 50 times 10. All right, Max. Yeah, that'd be $500 each one. Jeez, dang, 1,000 times. Yeah, 1,000 times. Okay. Goodbye. All right, bros. Peace out. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Max. Goodbye. See you guys tomorrow.
Essential.